Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create Telegram account without phone number. So guys, if you want to create your Telegram account and want to use your Telegram without phone number, then I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to download your Telegram in your phone, and guys, after downloading, simply you need to open your app. And guys, after this you will find this type of interface. So guys, simply you need to click on this start messaging. So guys, simply you need to click on this tab. And guys, after this you will find this type of interface. So guys, simply first of all you need to minimize your app, and guys, after this you need to open another internet browser in your phone. And guys, after this, here you need to search temp phone number, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down. And guys, you will find this type of website. Here you can see tempnumber.com. So guys, simply you need to open this website in your phone. And guys, after opening you need to scroll it down, and guys, from here you need to select any country. So guys, for example, I am going to select here United States. So guys, simply you need to click on this one. And guys, after this you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys, now you can see many of numbers are available here. So guys, simply you need to click on any number. So guys, for example, I am going to click on this number. And guys, after this you need to wait, and guys, simply you need to copy this number from here. And guys, after copy this number you need to go back, and guys, open your Telegram, and guys, here you need to select your country. So guys, I have selected the number of United States, therefore I am going to select here United States. So guys, as you can see here, simply you need to click on United States or search here United States USA. As you can see, simply you need to click on it. And guys, here you need to paste that number that you have copied now. And guys, after this, after selecting your United States and pasting your number, then guys, simply you need to click on here is the option of simply you need to click on next. And guys, after this you will find OTP on your this website. As you can see, simply you need to scroll it down, and guys, you will find here OTP. So guys, simply you need to copy this OTP, and guys, you need to paste on your Telegram account. And guys, after this your account will be created. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.